everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. Very happy Monday out there to everybody watching. Today is my Monday. Today I wanted to jump on here because this just dropped off at my door and I've been swatching and I have to put it on my eyes. So I thought I would turn on the camera really quick before the bus drops off all of my kiddos and do a quick eye tutorial and yeah, get it up for you guys tonight. So stay tuned. Okay, I usually don't upload on Mondays, and I want to say thank you to anybody that is tuning in. If you wouldn't mind, smash the like button, make sure that you are subscribed, and just thank you and enjoy the rest of your Monday evening. Well, I mean, I'm Eastern Standard Time, so a bus is coming. Anyways, I'm going to zoom you in, and we're going to do a quick eye tutorial. I will have all of my makeup on my face linked down in the, description box. I basically just took my eye makeup off and I've been waiting for this to be dropped off. Anybody else is excited? Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the new Natasha Denona Love Palette. This is a limited edition and oh, but it's so pretty. And I don't have anything like this, so I didn't mind grabbing this. Like I said, I did swatch them. I mean, if you care to see swatches, they're all over the place. I had to touch it. So I'm just going to go in with the Bone Shade right here. Just because I'm so excited. It's Monday. I hope everybody's having a fantastic Monday. I was actually in the middle of editing tomorrow's video for everybody. Which is the get ready thing, which is all of what's on my face. Aside from this palette right here. But I hope everybody's enjoying their Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I did. Finished a book. Made some granola cereal for the kiddos. Protein bars and whatnots. So we are all good to go for the week. This almost has a little bit of a pinky shift to it. Kind of pretty. I kind of like it. I was hoping it was more of a bone color, but well, it's not. I didn't swatch that one. It's the only one I didn't swatch. Anyways, hi, my name is Kelly and I drink a lot of coffee. Anyways, alright, I think I'm going to go super pinky today and I'm going to go into intense right here. So let me know how everybody is doing this Monday. I am so excited. I wasn't sure if I was going to film. It was all dependent on when this was going to be delivered. Because it gets crazy pants when the kiddos get dropped off. We have lots of homework. I have 4 kids, so lots of homework. We have dinner time and family time and whatnots. So, and all the evening-ish things that we do. I really, really like this. I will say, it's not skippy, which I'm really, really happy about. My eyelids are hooded. They're textured. Shadows just are skippy sometimes, but I've been putting like a light, very light color down first, and I've had less skippy, I guess, if you will. I guess it was a little skippy on the side, but this is so pretty. I love this. I've been stocking the mailbox. Because I'm filming and editing in the basement and whatnot, so I just keep running upstairs like a crazy person, hoping it's here by now. Alright, I think I'm going to start with a transparent right here. I'm going to put this on the majority of my lid. And I'm just using a dry brush. Really, really pretty. I think I'm going to take this in the inner corner too. Let's go all out here. Why the hey not, right? Oh, that is so pretty. Same brush. I'm going to go over to Giving right here. I'm going to pat this on the center of my lid. I'm all about the pinks. I don't have anything like this palette, and I'm so, so happy to have had it. And now I have all of the colors all in one little area here. So pretty. Let's see if we can punch it up using our finger a little bit. Oh, that's much better. It's like a pinky but gold shift. Very pretty. Next, I'm going to go up to Heartbeat right here. Well, probably the same thing everybody's doing with this palette, I'm assuming. I don't know. First look, I'm just trying to get something together really fast so that I can not hear the trampling of many, many feet coming in the house here. Any minute. Oh, I will say I'm happy with how all of the shades are applying to my eye. So, first impressions, wow, we're getting this on the eyes. It's very pretty. Everything's blending. It's really, really great. It's building. Just, it's beautiful. I am feeling very inspired. I'm going to take this look because I think I want to do kind of a halo eye. So, I'm going to take this right on the inner part of my lid there. And go back in with my finger real quick. And I'll blend over that darker shade. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay. I am going in with... Let's go in with a pencil brush and let's do that intense shade right here. Let's do this on the lower. Let's go in and with the giving right here, I'm going to take a very small brush. I'm going to try to put this on the lower, kind of reflect up. See if we can build that up. Maybe a little bit of transparent, try and lighten it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to throw some liner and lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished first impression look that I did create with my new palette here. I am so excited to get this. Like I said, I've been waiting to get my mail. I've been stocking it. I have all of the other makeup I do have on my face listed down below. I am obsessed with this. I very much so have missed the warm tone, pink, purple kind of trend, but I recently, last month or two, maybe 3, I have been very comfortable with the pink and purple. When I seen this, I had to have it. I looked at what I had. I didn't have anything like it, so I'm so happy to have it. Did you pick it up? What do you think? Are you excited for the 7 looks? Because I am going to start tomorrow. Tomorrow is day 1. This is bonus, I guess, so enjoy the rest of your evening. I hope you had a very blessed day, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye!